Cloud computing from Group 4. Introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is a hub for users to store data at their conveniences. Cloud computing is a method for delivering information technology, that's IT technology, services in which resources are retrieved from the internet through web-based tools and applications, as opposed to a direct connection to a server. Four types of cloud computing. Public cloud is services offered by a third-party provider over the public internet, making them available to anyone who wants to use or purchase them. Private cloud, where IT services are offered over private IT infrastructure for the use of a single organization. Hybrid cloud is a cloud computing environment that uses a mix of non-premises. Private cloud, a third-party public cloud service with a version of the two platforms. Community cloud, service model that provides a cloud computing solution for a limited number of individuals or organizations that is governed, managed, and secured commonly by the all participating organizations or third-party managed service provider. Cloud computing benefits. Cost of saving. It involves no upfront investment, as all the IT infrastructure needs will be taken care of by the cloud service provider for a fixed cost. When you run your own servers, the overall cost of maintenance and management can go up, leading to unwanted and unplanned expenditures. Ease of use. Cloud computing is easy to get up and running. Instead of having to download and/or install software yourself, in the cloud it is all done for you. The cloud also offers virtually unlimited storage capacity relative to typical hard drive and server limits. The cloud is also adaptable. Agility. Ability to rapidly develop, test, and launch software applications that drive business growth. Flexibility. Allows your employees to be more flexible, both in and out of the workplace. Employees can access files using web-enabled devices such as smartphones, laptops, and notebooks. Scalability. Scaling in the cloud provides you the best experience of flexibility of time and money for your business. When business demands are increasing, you can easily add nodes to increase your storage space, or you can increase the number of servers currently used. When the increased demand is reduced, then you can move back to your original configuration. Virtualization in cloud computing and types. Virtualization is the fundamental technology that powers cloud computing. For example, if you do most of your work on a Mac but you select applications that are exclusive to PCs, you can run Windows on a virtual machine to get access to those applications without having to switch computers. There are different types of virtualization, such as application virtualization. Helps users to have a remote access of an application from a server. Network virtualization. Ability to run multiple virtual networks that each has a separate control and data plan. Desktop virtualization allows the user's operating system to be remotely stored on a server in the data center. Storage virtualization is an array of servers that are managed by a virtual storage system. There are some positives. Two-way security. The cloud can be open to risks from hackers and various other attacks. But many cloud providers are taking security seriously and are upgrading their services to higher their guard against such threats. Also, through users fear security out there in the platform, the truth is most thefts happen internally by employees. So it becomes essential for you to activate security measures on your behalf. Backup and recovery. With the Advent solution like Cloud Disaster Recovery, many organizations can recover from a downtime in a matter of a few hours or less. Also, with improved customer service, cloud providers are ever present to cater to the needs of their customers, making it easy to deal with downtime. Cost effectiveness. While it is true that maintaining your business in the cloud can be expensive, cloud providers offer customers cost-scalable options like one-time payment and pay-as-you-go, among others. This allows you to choose to pay for the services you use or as per your budget constraints. Flexibility. This may not address the issue of moving from one provider to another. It certainly talks about the scalable nature of the cloud. The scalability of the cloud allows users to tailor their cloud platform as per their needs. In case you require extra bandwidth, a cloud-based service can do it almost instantly without having to undergo the complexities like physical IT infrastructure. This can majorly contribute to the overall progress of your business. There are negatives. Security. When all your data and networks is stored and run in the cloud, it is difficult to constantly oversee its safety and functioning. And with the data hackers always on the lookout for loose ends, it becomes important to know that all your data is secured by your cloud provider. The vulnerable nature of the cloud makes users skeptical of its adoption. Cloud inactivity. Your IT infrastructure must be in place to keep your business smoothly running. Some businesses can survive a temporary downtime, but some can't even afford an hour's negligence. In an event of natural disaster or malfunction, cloud servers can be the alternative to turn to. But if your service provider fails to be available at the occasion, then it may cost you precious hours of active business and reputation loss. Inflexible nature. Migration can become difficult for an entrepreneur who would like to move from provider to provider. Due to budget constraints and/or fear of the other provider's ability to manage your infrastructure online, you may have to think twice before adopting a cloud platform. Costs incurred. The cloud can be a costly affair, and when it's about running your day-to-day affairs out there, then you would have no choice but to keep the big bucks coming in to maintain your virtual presence. Furthermore, incurring costs of owning a cloud service is different from the cost of customizing the service to suit your business needs, and when enough capital has been put into the former, the next thing is making your data available to the public. This can be a problem, especially when the project or partnership with your clients is for a short term. Conclusion. All in all, cloud computing and virtualization is gaining popularity currently. People work on virtualized platforms from anywhere, and all the data centers, services, software are going on the cloud to smooth functioning of the workplace. Some of the top cloud services and technologies are provided by Amazon, Microsoft, Google, VMware. As a result, so many IT professionals are actively seeking these skills. Here are some references. More references. This is at group4members.com. Thank you.